Welcome to bmac.math tutorial. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for freshly brewed content. Hi, this is a question from CSI Net 2019 December session from Part C, Abstract Algebra. The question is, for a given integer k, which of the following statements are false? First option is, if k mod 72 is a unit in Z72, then k mod 9 is a unit in Z9. Second is, if k mod 72 is a unit in Z72, then k mod 8 is a unit in Z8. Third, if k mod 8 is a unit in Z8, then k mod 72 is a unit in Z72. And fourth, if k mod 9 is a unit in Z9, then k mod 72 is a unit in Z72. First of all, let us see what do we mean by unit in Z9. An element k mod n is a unit in Z9 if there exists an element k dashed mod n in Zn such that k dashed mod n is equals to 1 mod n. That is, if there exists an inverse with respect to multiplication mod n. We have a result that characterizes units in Zn, that is given as an element k mod n is a unit in Zn if and only if GCD of k and n is equals to 1. In other words, we can say that k mod n is a unit in Zn if and only if k and n are relatively prime. We can also state it as k mod n is a unit in Zn if and only if there exist integers I and j such that I into k plus j into n is equals to 1. So let us consider the first statement. We are given that if k mod 72 is a unit in Z72, then k mod n is a unit in Z9. So let us consider a unit k mod 72 to be a unit in Z72. Then by the previous result, there exists integers I and j such that I into k plus z into plus j into 72 equals to 1. And since 72 is equals to 8 into 1, 8 into 9, so this equation can be written as this. And finally, we write it as I into k plus j dashed into 9 equals to 1, where j dashed is equals to 8 into j, which is again an integer. So by our result, k mod 9 is a unit in Z9 and hence statement 1 is true. Coming to this next statement, if k mod 72 is a unit in Z72, then k mod 8 is a unit in Z8. So let k mod 72 be a unit in Z72, then there exists integers I and j as previously, such that this equation is true. And since 72 is 8 into 9, we can write this equation as this that we had done previously. And finally, this where j dash is equals to 9 into j, which is again an integer, and by our result we can say that k mod 8 is a unit in Z8 and statement true is also true. Now, coming to the third statement, if k mod 8 is a unit in Z8, then k mod 72 is a unit in Z72. Consider the element 3 mod 8 in Z8. Now, 3 and 8 are relatively prime, so 3 mod 8 is a unit in Z8. Now, GCD of 3 and 72 is 3 since 3 divides 72. And hence by our result we can say that 3 mod 72 is not a unit in Z72. So the statement that k mod 8 is a unit in Z8 did not necessarily imply k mod 72 is a unit in Z72, and hence statement 3 is false. Coming to the last statement, if k mod 9 is a unit in Z9, then k mod 72 is a unit in Z72. Consider the element 2 mod 9 in Z9. Now 2 and 9 are relatively prime and hence 2 mod 9 is a unit in Z9. Now GCD of 2 and 72 is 2 since 2 divides 72, and hence by our result we can say that 2 mod 72 is not a unit in Z72, and thus statement 4 is also false. Now coming to our question, we have seen that statement 1 and 2 are true and statement 3 and 4 are false, and in this particular question we are asked which of the statements are false. So our correct options should be options 3 and option 4. Thank you for watching.